Hello my friends, hope all of you are doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Well, to kick off our fall baking, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pumpkin bread. It is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be full of pumpkin goodness. And if you're a fan of pumpkin bread, you're going to enjoy this recipe. So grab your pumpkin spice and your canned pumpkin sugar because we're about to bake some pumpkin bread magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the wet ingredients. In my bowl I have 2 eggs and we're going to add in 1 cup of puree pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract, a half a cup of canola oil, this bread is going to be nice and moist, and a half a cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing all my wet ingredients together. Look how nice and pumpkiny orange that looks. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside while we work on our dry ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 2/3 of a cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. And our sugars, 1 cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to mix all these together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up the dry ingredients. So now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Alright my friends, I'm through pouring and folding the wet into the dry. Ooh, I love the smell of pumpkin and pumpkin spice. There's nothing like it. It smells like fall. And if you want, you can add walnuts or pecans or chocolate chips or raisins. But I'm just keeping it simple. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to pour the pumpkin batter into my greased loaf pan. Alright my friends, I got my pumpkin bread batter into my pan, so now we're ready to bake it. We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 1 hour and 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I've taken my pumpkin bread out of the oven and it smells incredible up in this kitchen. And look how nice and golden brown that looks. So now we're going to let our pumpkin bread cool completely. Alright my friends, there you have it, pumpkin bread. Doesn't that look good? Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, here we go. And I garnish it with some whipped cream and the dusting of pumpkin spice. It's about to go in my belly. Oh, look at that. Look at that texture. Nice and moist. Lord have mercy. My friends, this is the bomb.com pumpkin goodness. And I love the pumpkin spice in it too. This is some delicious pumpkin bread. What a great way to start the fall. Pumpkin-licious. Well, my friends, I want to thank all you for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.